If you have a garden, you are aware of how difficult it can be to manage weeds. Imagine what would happen if you could take a ton of power and destroy them. Welcome back to another video. In today's episode, we'll talk about some fantastic agricultural machinery, including one that was specifically designed to zap wheat. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So let's start. Number 1. Weed Zapper. In order to kill weeds, this device transforms the tractor's PTO power into a high-voltage electric current. Only the stem of young weeds can conduct electricity through the electrodes because of their height. A 5-step power amplification technique is used to generate the high working voltage. The Weeds app, of course, includes all necessary safety safeguards to guard against mishaps. At the start of the 19th century, several different kinds of electric meters are produced. As more farmers eschew chemical weed control methods, which some contend can cause cancer, to help conserve, these are growing in popularity. Number 2. Brouwer Kesmac Robomax. This leading-edge automated sawn harvester is made in Canada by Brouwer Kesmac. Its electronic auto-steer makes minute adjustments, and the hydraulic cutting addition will down pressure produces precise guts with reliable placement and automatic flap management. Because of its unique gripper head with a squeeze mechanism for fine-tuning stacking adjustment, the Robo Max JD always produces a tidy pallet. The Robo Max JD is comfortable without sacrificing portability or ease of usage. Additionally, it offers software and diagnostics that are inexpensive. The adjustable pallet injector can double balance and stack up to 18 different size pallets. Fall-in pallets can be moved away from the cut line using multiple machine actions. Number 3. Pumpkin Harvester. This machine was specifically designed for David Bowman Limited, the biggest European producer of pumpkins. Several million fresh pumpkins are sold by the company each year to stores in the UK and other nations in Europe. The company wanted a machine that could safely pick up newly ripened pumpkins because ordinary bump-in harvesters only get to gather pumpkins that have already been severed from their roots. They are then immediately picked up from the ground by this machine, washed, and then placed in cartons. Number 4. Honeybee Air Flex. This unusual multi-crop harvester has a 50-foot working width. The header can shave the ground and take up more peas, lentils, and soybeans thanks to its sensors and air suspension. By pressing a button in the cam, it may be used in flex or stiff mode. For cereal, the cutter bar remains firm and stiff, which is fantastic. For beans, peas, and lentils, the flex mode of the AirFlex shaves the ground. The air suspension is responsive and incredibly adaptive yet being lightweight. The customer has full control of this machine thanks to the novel control panels feature, which keeps the header at the ideal height in all terrains and cutting modes. Number 5. Dualf R3060 Harvesting. It is a self-propelled row-saving harvester that may be operated on level or hilly terrain, in wet or dry weather. It includes a sight shift feature, an automatic depth control system, and a halt offer. Each lifting cylinder is operated to maintain the flails at a set height above the ground by dragging shoes at the bottom. The front wheel brain is connected to the home topper, which breaks up the dirt as it goes. The cat may then use this information to autonomously change the depth. The driver is quite comfortable and simple thanks to the harvesting and driving joysticks. Additionally, the Scania District of Columbia 9385, the engine, a 350 horsepower unit that provides smooth operation and minimal fuel use, powers this harvesting equipment. Number 6. Dualf SC300 Front and MS4000. This cultivator is a front-mounted tractor attachment with a 3-meter operating width. It has a large rotor diameter that enables deeper preparation of the planting bed, and the power drain uses a 250 horsepower engine to handle all soil conditions. Without pressuring the zone, its mountable adjustable rate formers drive dirt toward the ridge and away from the wheel track. This method, which works well with a 250 horsepower tractor and the MS4000, a 4-row planter, guarantees that there is enough loose earth to create a plant array. Number 7. Manure Applicator from Cadman. Despite being built on 2 units, this manure spreader is only used by one person. A pan swivel arm on the injector unit pulls hose units as it moves. The swing arm moves to the side of the toolbar when the tractor turns, keeping the row of hoses in their place relative to the tractor. The tractor's operator can manage the hose's reel and steering from inside the tractor's cab. Soil is barely affected as it moves without a tank. Additionally, it gives a bigger window of time for applying liquid manure all over the row. The ability to utilize this manure applicator while the crops are developing, which maximizes output, is said to improve earnings. Number 8. Home's Padfoot Roller. These kinds of rollers are used to apply vibration, impact, and static pressure to the materials. Such rollers have a drum with oval or rectangular knobs that pierce the top layer and compact the soil beneath. By doing this, the material on top becomes loose, allowing the layer underneath to be compacted as further fill is added. The compaction of sandy areas is not appropriate, but it is perfect for granular and cohesive surfaces. Number 9. JOSKIN Transpace 9200. It is an agricultural tipping trailer with a body length of 9.2 meters and a volume capacity of 30.8 cubic meters. It is utilized by professionals to carry large quantities of potatoes. While the right side panel is 1.25 meters higher, the left side panel is 1.25 meters shorter. This variation in the bottom level lessens the amount of potatoes that fall out while loading. Excellent maneuverability is provided by the front end last axle's steering ability. The sidewalls are made of grade 550 high tensile steel, and the floor is 4 mm thick HARDOX. On the front of the chassis, a double oscillating frame supports the telescopic hydraulic tipping arm. This mechanism safeguards the hydraulic ram and body and compensates for tipping strength torsions. Additionally, it has tipping stabilizers that firmly maintain the trailer's position on the ground while tilting. Number 10. Holmer Terra Felis 3. The Terra Felis 3 is also referred to as the most cutting-edge cleaner in existence. Its modules can all be folded or swung out in a matter of seconds. For comprehensive cleaning, the pick system has 18 wear-resistant rollers. The beats on the cleaning table are initially transferred to the outside by the distribution roller's faster speeds. Compared to the gentle setting, this nearly doubles the cleaning distance. Additionally, its variopic extension offers a working angle that may be independently adjusted for better cleaning and fuel efficiency. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.